Hi everyone. Today we will learn how we can rotate in AutoCAD. So let's start. Let's say I draw this rectangle and I draw a line here. So it is for clarification. Now we will rotate this rectangle. So you here rotate command is there. You can click here rotate or you can simply type RO in the command prompt also. Now rotate select objects asking select the object then enter and now you have to give the base point. I will give the base point here and I will give the angle 45. The angle is rotated from that base point. So here I will give the base point here. Now I will minus 45 here. Again I will rotate this one. Select minus 45. So it is rotated there. Same way we have this object here and we want to rotate. We'll select rotate here. Select the object and now I will select midpoint here and I will give the angle 90. So it is rotated 90 degree. Similarly, click rotate, select this one and give minus 80. It will rotate other side. And here again you click rotate, select object, select midpoint and give 90. It will be vertical. So it rotate, clockwise 90, 180, 270 and 0 on that side. In this way you can rotate in AutoCAD. You can rotate any shape or any object in AutoCAD by using this method. Thanks for watching.